Mingla, yeah, ni Julan John last Sunday, Iran Israel. A total lavi, Ryan Takan and Itama Shida, Latigama Shida, within the strikings of the Latigana machine in American. When any Johnny V. Suda Johnny, oh, Papiachimaka, US to pull some personnel from the Middle East amidst rising tensions Iran. US to pull some personnel when the personnel went down, when I chose pull sweat to the US from the Middle East amid a level in the middle of rising tensions, the rising of middle tension in middle of Iran in it. The Iran in Israel, Iran got your Israel Iran situation in American, yeah, a Yejidan time is a only who ship young in a Sessani lava. The only time is that two net let the gamma machine in Iran let the gamma machine in American, the only who ship young move Saturday. US President Donald Trump on Wednesday said, US personnel were being moved to ship young Liba through ship young kind heart of being moved. A missa were being battery that kind heart, dear kind out of the Middle East, can be of mid a shit lay by so a good piano and it a shit lay by because it could be a dangerous piano and the Asian and the Pipana place. In there, United States, Sapioraga, United States would not allow Iran. Iran to have a nuclear weapon. So that nuclear weapon got Nini Iran got Topotare. Popiaba Ayas and a major development reported by the Washington Post got Popiaba Ayas and a major deployment to the Jima Pisson. Cheney Kuma. The US State Department has directed all American embassy American embassy along with then striking distance or Iran striking low 9 tight kind 9 aqua wave twin machine embassy along Shiva so you kind including several Euro machine embassy left pound Iran let gamma pinite Iran aqua wave pinite aqua wave shown the Euro machine your machine separate the embassy. Thanks for listening and sharing.